This video is a part of a series of lectures about the AIT Boys Hostel legacy, which is unmistakably followed by all FEs of every batch. Lecture 1. Basic Attires. Formals. An FE has to be in formals from the day they are admitted till the freshers party. A special category formals may also be applied on an individual FE during the session, anytime, even after the freshers, for uncertain amount of time, if the senior finds the FE becoming too oversmart or indisciplined. Formals include following things: a plain, colored or white shirt without any lines, designs or marks, a plain black or colored pants or trouser without any lines, designs or mark with black formal shoes. Jeans or t-shirts are completely forbidden to any FE. Collar button has to be kept closed all the time without a tie. Belt is prohibited. Wearing a watch is prohibited. A handkerchief is a must. Time limit of formals ranges from the start of the day till bedtime. This time range may vary if the formal is the special category formals subject to the wish of the senior who applied it. All FEs are supposed to be clean shaven except the FEs who follow Sikhism. Shoes must be polished. Freshers. The freshers party is given by the SEs within a range of 1 week to 1 month of admission of FEs. Normally, it is organized on Saturday Eve within 15 days of FE admission. Dress code for freshers is proper formals plus tie and belt. If seniors insist, belt may be worn around the chest and waist over the shoulder like the holy thread, and tie on the head like a turban. The 6 FE boys participating in the Mr. Freshers contest must not adopt the alternative method of wearing the tie and belt. AIT positions. AIT chair. This is an AIT chair. AIT sofa. As you can see, this is an AIT sofa. AIT Shimla. Here, the individual is forming the position of AIT Shimla. AIT Kanyakumari. This is AIT Kanyakumari position. AIT Murga. This is AIT Murga. AIT Murgi. Here you can see the AIT Murgi position. AIT Cliffhanger. This position is called the AIT Cliffhanger. AIT Third Button. Here, one has to look at his third button of shirt. 1, 2, 3. AIT third button. AIT Maharaja. This position is known as AIT Maharaja. AIT Introduction. Introduction has to be given by the FE in a certain specific order. This contains the following rules. First, tell your name, year and branch.
Sir, my name is Siddharth Mishra. I'm first year computer.
Father's name. Use the term retired before father's name if applicable.
My father's name is retired Captain Prince Mishra.
Native place with district and state name.
My native place is Nagpur, Rajasthan.
School name from which class 10th was passed with the percentage.
I did my 10th class from Army School, Sikandrabad with 97% only.
School name from which class 12th was passed with percentage.
And I did my 12th class from APS Dholakua with 79% only.
AIEEE rank.
My All India Engineering entrance exam rank was 32,342 only.
AIT merit number.
My Army Institute of Technology merit number is 322 only.
The term AIEEE and AIT are not to be used. Instead, the full form of these are to be stated. The term only has to be used after telling the percentage marks of 10th, 12th and rank in AIEEE and AIT. Hobbies. Playing cricket is not allowed to be stated as a hobby.
My hobbies are reading books, listening music and gardening.
To know why the term only is used, refer your flank senior. End of lecture 1.
और टेंशन माली है मन का तान पूरा फ्रस्ट्रेशन में छेड़े